Hi, I'm Clara, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you enjoy learning English in a calm, real-life way, don't forget to subscribe to my English Routine channel so we can keep practicing together. In this video, we're talking about how your life can move in a new direction, how your routine and your schedule can shift, and how those small moments can feel fresh or even a little nervous and excited at the same time. But before we jump in, here's the question I want you to keep in your mind. What does change really mean when you talk about your own life? Stay with me because by the vocabulary review, you'll feel ready to use it with confidence. Now follow Jack and let's see how the conversation begins.
Hi there. Are you the one at the front desk today?
Hi, yes, that's me. How can I help you?
Thanks. I just moved into the building and I need a new gym card. I think my old one forgot who I am.
Welcome. That happens sometimes. No problem. What's your apartment number?
It's 3B. I moved in last week, so I'm still learning where everything is.
I see. 3B. Got it. So you're new here. How are you finding the place so far?
It's quiet. I like that. The walls don't talk to me at night. That's a good change.
That does sound nice. Did you move from far away?
Not too far. I lived across town before, but my life feels different now. New building, new routine, new coffee shop.
New coffee shop can change everything. Do you like it?
Yes, but I still order the wrong drink sometimes. I say small and I get a cup bigger than my head.
That's funny. So what made you decide to move?
Well, my job changed. I work from home now. My old place was loud. The street was always busy, and my brain needed a quiet place to breathe.
That makes sense. Working from home can change how you live.
Yes, it really did. My day starts slower now. I don't rush for the bus. I rush for my laptop.
That's a different kind of race. Do you like the new schedule?
I do. I wake up, make breakfast, and sometimes I even sit by the window. I watch people walk their dogs. It feels calm.
That sounds peaceful. Do you miss anything from your old place?
I miss my neighbor. He used to say hello every morning. Now my plants are my neighbors. They don't talk back.
Maybe they listen better.
Maybe. So, by the way, I wanted to ask you something. You work here every day, right?
Yes, I'm here most mornings.
Have you seen people change after they move in? I mean, do they look different after some time?
That's an interesting question. I think they do. At first, people look tired or stressed. Then, after a few weeks, they smile more.
I hope I get that smile upgrade soon.
I'm sure you will. Change can be hard at the start, but it can feel good later.
Yeah, for me it feels like I'm learning how to live again, but in a small way, like choosing a new path in the hallway.
Small changes can still be big inside.
That's true. Even my food changed. I cook more now. My kitchen and I are getting to know each other.
That's great. What do you like to cook?
Simple things. Eggs, rice, vegetables. Sometimes I try a new recipe, and sometimes the recipe wins.
That happens to everyone. Cooking is also a kind of change. You learn each time.
Yes, and my body feels different too. I walk more. I use the stairs. My legs are not happy about it yet.
They will be. That's why the gym is here.
That's why I'm here too. I want to feel stronger. I sit a lot now with my job.
I can help you with a basic plan if you want.
That would be nice, but maybe later. Today, I just want the card. My muscles need a soft start.
No problem. Here's your new gym card. Just tap it at the door.
Thank you. This little card feels like a big step.
It can be. So, besides work and moving, is there any other change in your life?
I talk to my sister more now. She lives in another city, but we call every week. Before, we were both too busy.
That's a good change.
Yes, it is. She asks me about my new place. She wants pictures, but my camera and I don't agree on angles.
Maybe the building will help you practice.
Maybe. I also read more now. I have a small shelf by my bed. It makes my room feel full, in a good way.
That sounds cozy.
It is. Some nights I sit and think about how fast things move. 1 year ago, my life looked very different.
Life can turn quickly. Do you feel happy with the direction?
I think so. I feel a little nervous, but also excited, like I'm walking into a new room.
That's a nice way to see it.
Thanks. Talking about it helps. I didn't plan to talk about my life today. I just came for a card.
Sometimes small things open big conversations.
Yes, they do. So, what about you? Have you had any changes lately?
I started a new class in the evenings. I'm learning another language.
That's brave. My brain gets tired just thinking about that.
It's hard, but I enjoy it. It makes my days feel fresh.
Fresh is good. I like that word. My life feels fresher now, like morning air.
That's a good sign.
I hope so. Well, I should go test this card and see if the door likes me.
I'm sure it will. If you need anything, just come back to the desk.
I will. Thank you for listening to my small life story.
You're welcome. It was nice to hear it.
Have a good morning, Maya.
You too, Jack. Enjoy the gym.
I'll try. My muscles might send you a complaint later.
I'll be ready for it. Bye.
Bye.
That sounded like a really warm talk, Jack.
Yeah, I only wanted a card, but I got a little life check, too.
Sometimes that's the best kind of surprise.
I agree. It makes my day feel lighter.
Jack, before we wrap things up, let's take a moment to look back at some of the words we used in that conversation.
Oh, I like that idea. It's like a little replay, but for my brain instead of my ears.
Exactly, and it helps things stay fresh. So the first word that comes to my mind is routine.
Ah, yeah, that's the one about what you usually do every day, right? Like my morning now. I wake up, make breakfast, and sit by the window.
That's it. It's your normal pattern, the way your day moves. Some people like a strong routine, others like to change it a lot.
I think I'm in the middle. Too much routine and I feel like a robot. Too little and I forget where my keys are.
That's a good way to explain it. Speaking of movement, do you remember when you said direction?
Oh, yeah. I said my life feels like it's going in a new direction.
Right. That word is about where things are going, not just on a map, but in life.
So, if someone changes jobs or moves to a new city, you can say their life is going in a different direction.
Exactly. It's a nice way to talk about big changes without sounding too serious.
I like that. It sounds calmer than everything is different now.
Another word we used was schedule.
That one is about time, right? Like when I work from home now, my schedule is slower in the morning.
Yes, it's how you plan your time during the day or week.
My old schedule was all about buses and clocks. Now it's more about coffee and my laptop.
That sounds like a comfortable shift. By the way, you also talked about feeling nervous and excited.
Yeah, those two live together in my head sometimes.
They're great words for talking about change. Nervous is when you feel a little worried or unsure. Excited is when you feel happy and full of energy about what's coming.
So, when I moved, I was nervous about the new place, but excited about starting fresh.
That's a perfect example. Now, I remember you said something about miss.
Oh, right. I miss my old neighbor.
Miss is a strong, simple word. It's about feeling that someone or something is not there anymore, and you want it back.
Like when I don't see him in the morning, I feel that small, empty space.
That's a very human way to explain it. Let's jump to another one. You used plan.
Yeah, I said you offered to help me with a basic plan at the gym.
A plan is what you decide to do before you do it. It's like a small map for your actions.
My gym plan right now is very simple. Don't fall over and try to look like I know what I'm doing.
That's a good starting plan. And connected to that, you said you wanted to feel stronger.
That's about my body. I sit a lot, so I want to build more strength.
Stronger can be physical, like muscles, but also emotional, like feeling more confident in life.
I like that. Maybe my muscles and my confidence can train together.
That would be a great team. Now, there was also the word fresh.
Oh, yeah, you said my days feel fresh,
Fresh is when something feels new, clean, or full of energy.
like morning air or a new notebook with empty pages.
Exactly. It's a nice word to use when talking about positive change. Let's not forget quiet.
That one is very important to me. My new place is quiet and my brain is very happy about it.
Quiet is about low noise, but also about a calm feeling inside.
So my apartment is quiet and my mind feels quiet too. That's a good match.
It really is. Another word that came up was conversation.
That's what we're doing right now.
Yes, it's a talk between people, usually friendly and natural.
I like when conversations start small, like with a gym card, and then become about life.
Those are often the best ones. And one more I remember clearly is change.
That word was everywhere in that talk.
It was, and we're actually going to come back to that one in a deeper way in a moment.
Oh, now I'm curious. I feel like I'm about to open a door.
Before we do that, let's just take a second to look at how all these words fit together. You talked about your routine, your schedule, and the direction of your life. You shared how you miss people, make plans, and try to feel stronger and fresher in a quiet place.
When you say it like that, it sounds like my life is a little story.
It is, and these words help you tell that story in English.
That makes me want to use them more. Maybe I'll tell my sister my life is going in a new direction and see what she says.
I think she'll like that. Now, let's finally dive into the word we hinted at from the start, change.
Ah, there it is, the big one.
Change means when something becomes different. It can be small, like changing your coffee order, or big, like changing where you live or work.
So when I moved to a new building, that was a big change. But when I start using the stairs, that's a small change.
Exactly. You can use this word in many parts of life. At work, you might say, there's a change in my schedule. At home, you can say, I want to change my room a little.
With friends, I could say, let's change our plan and go somewhere else.
That's a perfect example. Change works with plans, feelings, places, and even people's habits.
I like that it's simple, but it can talk about big things.
That's what makes it powerful. Now, think about your own life for a moment. Where do you see change right now?
I think my biggest change is how I spend my mornings. They're slower, calmer, and more mine.
That's a beautiful way to put it. And for everyone listening, try to think about your own day. Where would you use the word change? At work, at school, or at home?
Don't just copy a sentence. Think about something real in your life and say it in English.
That's the best way to make the word feel natural. And if you enjoy these kinds of practical talks, make sure to subscribe to My English Routine channel and click the bell so you don't miss the next one.
Yeah, keep practicing, play with your own examples, and enjoy using English in your daily life.
Thanks for staying with us today.
See you next time, and good luck with all your changes.